This is the XJ80 Ryobi Cordless Jigsaw, part of the OnePlus range of tools. Beautiful versatile piece of equipment, ergonomic handle here with a soft grip that gives you comfort of use. The unit has 4 settings here, pendulum settings, which allows you to cut quicker and cleaner and much faster. You have a dust port here that enables you to put on a vacuum cleaner so you can keep your work surface clean. You also have a depth of cut of 80 millimeters in wood, 6 millimeters in steel and 12 millimeters in plastic. Why would I use a jigsaw? If I need to cut a shape, if I need to cut a hole, if I need to cut anything, anywhere, you clip on your battery, pick up your machine and you go and you are able to.
Ryobi, power tools that won't quit.
forhome.co.za, online shopping the easy way.